beautiful tribe, welcome back to another Face Beat Friday. I'm so excited for this look because this is another carnival look that I'm doing. I've done a previous carnival makeup look. It was about 2 years ago, and this one is a very different color combination that I normally don't do. I tend to do a purple, pink, green, blue kind of combination, not all together but yeah, so this is a red and blue with a hint of silver, and this is inspired by this beautiful costume right here. And of course, Trinidad Carnival is coming up. It's Monday and Tuesday. Unfortunately, I will not be participating this year, but I will make it one of these days before I go anywhere else. But yes, I plan to attend crop over this year because my family's from Barbados and I have to go back. I haven't been to Barbados in like, gosh, I was 12, I'm 26, so I'm 27, so like 14-15 years, so it's been a while. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in this look, stay tuned. Okay, so as always, I already primed my eyes. I went ahead and started with this eye. I primed with Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and now I'm gonna go in with my Take Me to Brazil red eyeshadow right here, and we're gonna go ahead and apply that all over the lid. And what I'm going to do is apply most of the red on the outside of my lid and bring the lighter part on the inside. Now towards the end of our eyeshadow look, we're going to put a little bit more of the red on the outside so it has more pop. Next, I'm going to apply my eyeshadow base by NYX, and I'm going to apply that on my lid. And now for my base of the blue that I'm going to apply to my lid, I'm using Electric Eel by MAC. Now I'm going to go into my Urban Decay Electric palette, and we're going to start off with the color Ganozo, and it's your blue shimmer, and we're going to go ahead and put that on the lid. Now I love using the Urban Decay palette for my carnival looks because it's very vibrant. And then we're going to stop at the halfway point, and then we're going to go back into the Urban Decay palette, and we're going to use the color Chaos. I'll show you guys how it looks. So we're going to go ahead and use Chaos for the outer part. Now we're going to blend these two colors together. We're done with that. Now I'm going to apply my glitter, and I'm going to be using lash glue. I normally don't like to use it because it has that tacky feeling, but NYX does have glitter glue. Fortunately, I ran out, so we're going to have to use what we got. The glitter that I used was my turquoise glitter. I got this from Amazon. It does come in a pack of very, very beautiful colors. You have pink, you have your reds, you have your purples, you have your blues, you have your golds, you have your silvers, and there are different colors or undertones of these glitters that I really enjoy. So I'm going to go back into my Urban Decay electric palette, and I'm going to be using the color Revolt, and it's your silver color. I'm going to add it to the inner part, the tear duct of my eyes, as well as the lid, just a little bit to give that glitter a more of a pop. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to use my Electric Eel by MAC, and I'm going to apply this, and I'm going to go into my Take Me to Brazil palette and add the top turquoise color. Now I'm going to apply my eyeliner by Wet n Wild. It's their H2O waterproof. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and make this quick because my camera decides that it wants to die. I'm gonna be adding my Maron Spirit Gum, and this is a great glue to apply your rhinestones for Carnival. It stays on for hours. So yeah, let's get into that. Next, I'm going to be applying my NARS Radiance Enhancing Pro Prime. Perfect for Carnival because it has SPF 15. Next, I'm going to be adding my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place, and this foundation does stay in place. If you want, you can go ahead and leave the look as it is, and you can apply your clear lip gloss so you can have that ready on the road, or you can go a bit daring and add a color lipstick or maybe some highlight and contour. Because the road usually is hot, you can do as you please, but I'm gonna go ahead and highlight, contour, and add some lipstick, and I'll get right back to you guys.